Hello and welcome. Today we're doing a move called the reverse fan open. Here's what it looks like. That's the move. Here is a slow-mo. All right, guys, to start this one off, I'm going to do it a little differently. I'm going to explain exactly what the knife is doing in terms of how many rotations and how to catch it. And that's not really going to help you too much, but it'll set up for the actual kind of step-by-step learning process I'm going to give. So to begin this move, you're going to start off hanging onto the safe handle with your thumb about 2/3 of the way up the knife, 4 fingers along the back, just like so. You're going to begin this move by flipping out the bite handle into this kind of T position right here. So again, safe handle here. Really, when I start off, I'm at about a 45-degree kind of angle, so I'm not perfectly vertical, not perfectly horizontal, 45 degrees, flipping out the bite handle into this T position right here. So once you're able to do that, this is how the move works. So you can just even take your other hand, place it on the handle here, right? And what we're going to do is we're going to do a full 360-degree rotation counterclockwise, winding up right where we were before. And then at this point, you can do another 180-degree rotation. And once it goes to right about here, we're going to take our fingers, point them to the ceiling, our 3 fingers pointed to the ceiling, and then the knife opens just like so. So I would encourage you to do that. Flip out, get into this T position, take your other hand, catch the bite handle, 360 degrees around. Then the last little quarter, fingers to the ceiling, pinching with my index finger and thumb, catching around just like this. And so that is the motion that this is going to do. Now that you know the motion and exactly how this works, I'm going to give you a learning tutorial on how to actually learn this. So to actually learn this, you're going to start in that exact same position, except you want to be perfectly horizontal with the ground, just like this. And so you're in this position right here with the bite handle on the bottom. I'm going to flip out the bite handle till you make this T position where the bite handle is pointed straight to the ceiling. At this point, I'm going to take my thumb and index finger and do a twist in this counterclockwise direction. And the goal here is to get the safe handle to roll down my thumb. So you can see it's rolling down my thumb, almost like a car would like roll, the wheel of a car would roll down a road. And that's kind of how you want it to feel. So again, hold on to the safe handle, palm down, horizontal position, flipping up till the bite handle hits the ceiling, giving it a twist, boom. The safe handle is rolling down my thumb, just like that. And you can just practice that. It should be something like that, and you should really feel that rolling motion down your thumb. Now, once you're able to flip the knife up and get that roll going, you're going to see probably when it reaches about the back of your hand, you're going to be in this position right here, at which point you can kind of do whatever you can to kind of swing close that bite handle and catch. And this is going to look pretty ugly, but it's going to be kind of like the move. So flipping out T position, rolling like a car, getting to right about here, and catch. So what that'll look like, something like that. Once you can master that kind of stilted version of this trick, we can go back to this 45-degree angle. You're going to do the exact same thing. Flipping out in this T position, pinch, should do a spin, 360 degrees. And at this point, because we're not totally horizontal anymore, when we get to right about here, if we extend our top 3 fingers and kind of reach over a little bit, and that'll get our thumb out of the way, then it'll come around under our hand and we can catch just like this. And so let me show you what that looks like. Flipping out, T-pose, pinch and spin, rolls down the thumb, extend those fingers, reach over a little bit, and open just like this. Let me show you what that looks like. Something like that. Again, you really want to make sure when you're doing this to be grabbing not right at the top, because then it's also going to be hard for it not to, when it rolls down, if you're really high up here, it's hard to get it around your thumb. Your thumb is sometimes what you hit. So make sure you're grabbing about 2/3 of the way up the handle here. But that's it. That's the move. Hope you guys liked that one. Thanks for watching. Peace.